Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to hopefully resolve if the Windows 11 taskbar is not working properly. So whether it's not loading properly or it's not acting very glitchy or buggy, let's fix that guys. First thing I recommend to do, first thing go to start menu and restart your PC guys. Your computer sometimes simply restart your PC can fix the problem guys. And after restarting, if you not get resolved, type cmd run as administrator, click yes. Now check my video description, two comments are there guys. Copy the first comment, right click, eject, paste it, press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, let's wait guys. This verification need to 100% need to complete it. Let's wait. After finishing first command, copy the second command guys. Go and copy it, right click and copy it. After that, right click the tab the bar and eject and paste it, press enter. This will take time guys, at least 10 minutes. This 3% need to get 100% guys. After getting this 100%, go and restart your PC guys. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.